Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful border and butta collection in gold zari work. Excellent color combination here, dark versus pastel. Beautiful violet saree, pink into black, mild black mixed pink it is. Very beautiful color, violet almost, with elegant flower design buttas, a sunflower design. We also have 4 inches border in both sides of the saree with thin border in pallu color, and pallu is a very beautiful half white here, sandal half white, almost light gold color. On it the gold zari work is done and it's a diagonal type design in the pallu with same pallu color blouse piece. Excellent combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful border and butta collection with exclusive design and excellent color combinations. Here we have a lavender mixed with mild blue shade. Beautiful lavender here, dark lavender with a very elegant design buttas. Kanji type beautiful buttas. Buttas are also done using the golden zari with the golden zari 4 inches border and a thin border in pallu color. Completely hand woven, very elegant collection with a very bright and beautiful light yellow color. Pallu have the zigzag leaving vertical design, golden zari used for that, and we have the plain blouse piece in pallu color. The combination is a unique one with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful border and butta collection in gold zari work. Elegant combination here, light radiant green color, excellent color, with a very beautiful buttas, gold zari buttas, completely handcrafted with the 4 inches zari border in both sides of the saree with a thin border in pallu color, and pallu is a dark brown color, maroonish brown with beautiful mango design, completely done using gold zari, and we have pallu color plain blouse piece in zari border. Combination is pretty with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. Very beautiful border and butta collection in gold zari work. Excellent color saree here. Beautiful grey saree with gold zari work. Completely handmade, beautiful collection. And here we have a beautiful border design, gold zari as well as pallu color border is given, each in same length. And we have an excellent pallu here, almost a Prussian blue. Very bright and beautiful color with excellent gold zari work in the pallu. Same way, the blouse piece is also done in the same pallu color. The border is also given as in saree. Excellent combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. The border and butta collection. Very beautiful dark color combination here. A bottle green, dark green, mixed with black to get a beautiful dark bottle green color, the traditional ever demanded color with beautiful peacock design buttas, completely handcrafted, beautiful saree here with a 3-inch zari border here. We have a thin border in pallu color. Pallu is Ananda blue, dark Ananda blue with very elegant peacock design in the pallu also, gold zari used for the weaving, and we have pallu color plain blouse piece. The combination is different. Excellent combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. The border and butta collection in gold zari work. An excellent pastel color saree here with a beautiful pallu, contrast one, light lavender. Lavender is the most demanded one. Very beautiful color. The buttas are also beautifully done using gold zari, completely handcrafted work. You can visibly see the work with a 4 inches zari border in both sides of the saree with a thin border in pallu color, and pallu is a dual tone here, bright orange mixed with mild pink. Orange is prominent, and you can see the zigzag design vertically done in the gold zari with plain blouse piece. The combination is very pretty, beautiful color for the pastel lovers with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. Border and butta collection in gold zari work. A very beautiful pastel shade saree here, a light pastel gold color almost, light brown and half white mixed Beautiful color, almost a pale gold color with gold zari buttas. Traditional beautiful butta design, completely hand weave, excellent saree with 4 inches zari border and a thin border in pallu color. In pallu is a different blue here, blue color, excellent color, very different one. And we have different butta design in the pallu also, completely gold zari weaved one with plain blouse piece in pallu color. The combination is very different, a different combination, exclusive color saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double bark, a very beautiful collection, border and butta, elegant one, completely handcrafted, alluring combination colors. Here we have a lavender, darker shade lavender color, almost a purplish lavender it is, with a very beautiful handcrafted buttas, completely gold zari is used here, with gold zari border, a 4-inch border in both sides, with thin border in pallu color. Pallu is a dark ananda blue, excellent design in the pallu also, gold zari is used. Pallu color, plain blouse piece. The combination is very different, exclusive one with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful border in butta collection in gold zari weaving, very elegant ananda blue color saree, attractive ananda blue, a traditional combo, blue into green with very elegant hand weaving buttas, completely gold zari used here with 4 inches zari border in both sides, with thin border in pallu color. And pallu is a bright dark bottle green color. Gold zari work is dazzling on the bottle green base with same bottle green blouse piece. The combination is very different with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful border and butta collection with a beautiful and exclusive combinations here. Light peach color saree with very elegant new design buttas, beautifully handcrafted with gold zari, and we have a 4 inches tissue zari border, gold zari used for the border also, with a thin border in pallu color. Excellently hand weaved beautiful saree, and you can see the dark mehendi green color pallu. Pallu also have a very excellent gold zari work, rich pallu with plain blouse piece in pallu color. Combination is very exclusive here with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp, border and butta collection in gold zari work. A very beautiful color saree, traditional and excellent color combination, ultimate contrast, a violet color, pink and magenta pink, purple mixed color, and we have beautiful gold zari work, big buttas, elegantly handcrafted work with 4 inches zari border in both sides, and we also have a thin green border. The pallu is completely contrast green, very elegant one, perfect exact green with plain blouse piece in pallu color. The borders are running in the blouse piece as well. The combination is beautiful, an ultimate combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp, a border and butta collection in very elegant color combinations. Here we have an alluring combo, a dark Prussian blue color saree with very elegant buttas, the kanji type beautiful gold zari buttas with a 4 inches zari border in both sides and thin border in pallu color. Completely handmade, beautiful design, excellent weaving, and we have a pink pallu here, a beautiful pink, and we have the excellent rich zari work in the pallu also using gold zari and pallu color plain blouse piece. The combination is beautiful, a traditional combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp, border and butta collection in gold zari work. A very beautiful combination saree here. A violet color saree almost, purple violet mix, mild pink shade on the purple, very elegant one with the buttas, very different design buttas, new launch, excellently handcrafted one with 4 inches zari border in both sides of the saree along with a thin border in pallu color. And to that we have a dark ananda blue color combination for the pallu. Pallu have beautiful work with same pallu color blouse piece. Combination is very beautiful, both in dark shade colors with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp, border and butta collection in gold zari work. the beautiful color combo here. Pink shade, dark pink, very elegant pink color with golden zari buttas. The buttas are very traditional with 4 inches gold zari border in both sides of the saree. And we have a very contrast dark Ananda blue color pallu. The pallu also have here the mango design gold zari work, a rich pallu with plain blouse piece in pallu color. Blouse piece also have the zari borders, a tissue border type with authentic slip mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a border and butta collection in gold zari work. Very beautiful combination colors. Here we have a dual tone color, blue mixed with mild green. Green is very mildly visible, almost blue, very elegant light green titch. And we have a very beautiful buttas, border butta design. Gold zari used for the buttas also. And we have a 4 inches zari border in both sides of the saree along with a thin border in pallu color. And pallu is a very beautiful maroon here, brownish maroon with beautiful work in the pallu design. And we have same pallu color blouse piece. The combination is beautiful, excellent traditional combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a beautiful border and butta collection in gold zari work, a very elegant blue saree, Ananda blue, beautiful color. And we have a very different design buttas in the saree, golden zari used for the butta weaving and the border weaving, a 3 inches border here. And we have a very contrast green pallu. The pallu is in very beautiful green shade, olive shade with golden zari work all over, rich pallu and plain blouse piece in pallu color. The combination is a beautiful one, an ultimate combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a border and butta collection in gold zari work. A very elegant combination saree here. A pink saree, bright, lovable pink it is. Lovely, always demanded, beautiful color. With square shaped buttas done using the golden zari. We also have 4 inches zari border that is also in the golden zari. Hand woven, beautiful collection with an elegant combination. And here we have a mustard yellow color pallu with closely weaved beautiful design in the pallu done using golden zari again. And we have mustard yellow color, pallu color plain blouse piece. The combination is beautiful, attractive combo, awesome with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, border and butta collection in gold zari work. Here we have a beautiful shade, an excellent combination saree, a dark maroon and mild brown mixed color saree, very elegant buttas, kanji type peacock design buttas. And we have a 4 inches zari border in both sides of the saree with a thin border in pallu color. A perfectly hand woven elegant collection with a premium silk. And we have a bright yellow for the pallu here, combination of maroon. And we have floral pattern in the pallu that is also done using the golden zari. And we have pallu color blouse piece. Combination is a rare one here with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. Border and butta collection in gold zari work. A very beautiful combination here, complete green saree, bottle green color, body with excellently crafted butta work, gold zari, bright and clear buttas with a 4 inches zari border in both sides, gold zari used here with thin border in pallu color, and pallu is a light radiant green color. Complete saree is in green shades, different shades of green with very elegant work in the pallu color plain blouse piece with zari borders. Excellent combo, exclusive piece with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, border and butta collection with very elegant combination colors. Here we have a very different combo, light blue, almost a copper sulphate blue color without green mix, and we have elegant buttas, excellently handcrafted design, and we can 4 inches zari border is also given the same golden zari, and we have thin border in pallu color. Pallu is a very different color here, a pastel shade, ultimate contrast combination, a peachy pink color, mild peach and pink mixed shade with golden zari work, rich pallu and plain blouse piece in pallu color. Combination is a very different one, rare combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, border and butta collection in gold zari work. Here we have a very beautiful combination sarees, dark brown color a maroon and blonde mixed dark color, very beautiful color with a flower vase pattern, very elegantly hand weaved, excellent saree with a 3 inches zari border with a thin border in pallu color, and pallu is a very different color, a turquoise green shade, pastel shade with fully gold zari worked, very different 3D type pallu, and we have plain blouse piece in pallu color. The combination is beautiful, excellent combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, border and butta collection in gold zari work. A very elegant combination color here, a bright and attractive combo. A red saree, mild orange mix red it is, a tomato red color with very elegant buttas, a trendy type buttas weaved using golden zari, and we have 4 inches zari border in both sides of the saree with a thin border in pallu color, and we have a beautiful and contrast pallu, a royal blue color with same the butta design running in the pallu also using golden zari, and we have plain blouse piece in pallu color. Combination is an attractive combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful border and butta collection in gold zari work. Here we have a beautiful dark combination collection, dark blue, green, deep forest green color, bottle green in the next darker version with a very elegant gold zari buttas, and we also have a 4 inches zari border that is also in golden zari, and we also have a thin border in pallu color, a perfectly hand weaved beautiful collection with a dark royal blue color pallu. The pallu also have a floral golden zari work, closely weaved beautiful pallu with plain pallu color blouse piece. The complete saree is in a dark shade, an ultimate dark combination saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful border and butta collection, the excellent golden zari buttas. Here we have 2 different design buttas in the saree on peach base color, big buttas, a bouquet kind concept, and we have small floral type buttas, and we also have a 4 inches zari border and a thin border in pallu color, completely hand woven beautiful design, a pastel shade saree with a very elegant dark royal blue color pallu. Pallu also have a rich golden zari work with plain blouse piece. The combination is beautiful, dark versus light, and the saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a border butta collection with golden zari work. Here we have a pastel combination, half white saree, almost a sandal tinge, very elegant, regular and beautiful combination. And you can see the buttas are golden zari with the borders also in golden zari, a 4 inches border and thin border in pallu color, completely hand woven, premium quality, very elegant saree with a red combination pallu. Pallu is a floral design done using golden zari again with the same color, pallu color blouse piece. Combination is beautiful, always demanded, very elegant combo with authentic silk mark.